Hi and welcome to the Student Tracker app, an app that has been designed to enhance learner performance. Today we'll be looking into our last 6th video on how principal and educator notification works. Remember, we are on our workshop series video on how to operate the parents account in the Student Tracker app. Now we'll be going straight into our menu and we'll go to principal or educator notification. So firstly, I'll click the principal notification. So what you see here is the same thing that you can see on the educator notification. So as you click our send button, it will show you directly to send a message to the principal. So you type in whatever the message you'd like to type in. So as you can see, there's a difference between send and sent. So when you click the send button, it will show you the messages that you have sent to the principal. So for example, let's go to the educator notification. When you click on the send button, it will show you a list of the educators that teaches your child, whether it's a math teacher or EMS teacher or stronger teacher. So for example, I can click one teacher, I can click more than one teacher, it might be 3 or more, or even 2 educators. Example, in your phone it will be showing you like this. So moving forward, now I want to send the messages to these 2 teachers. So whatever the message that I'll be typing here, it will go directly to both of those teachers at once. It will send the same message to them. For example, here I type in a message saying, "Hello teacher Tlakula, since they both teach my child 2 of the subjects that I would like to communicate with them on today." And I'm like, "How are you today?" Then I send my message. As you can see, it will show that I've sent my message successfully after I've clicked that purple send button. Going back, and then when I click on the sent message, these are the messages that I've sent to the educator. When I click on view, it will show the message that I've sent to the teacher. Same message, I just click the button twice, so I can reply on the messages in case the educator has replied to my message. So now going back to the principal notification, let me also send a message to the principal as well, and then you'll get an example of how you would receive the message from the principal. As I'm typing, "Good day, principal. How are you today?" So now as I finish typing my message, now I'll send my message to the principal and the principal will receive the message. You see that it has sent my message successfully, and now the principal has received my message. Now I'm closing, then now I want to show the message that I've sent to the principal. As you can see, when I view, you see this is the message that I have typed to the principal. So now the principal has responded to my message. Say the principal was free to respond. Now he had to respond. Now I click on view. The principal, when he receives your message, it shows him the name of the parent, the name of the student, and the grade.